Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Montego Bay, Jamaica. We are driving on the Jimmy Cliff Boulevard through Montego Bay, and this road is this area is known as the Hip Strip because you have a lot of entertainment spots for tourists along this road. But its official name is Jimmy Cliff Boulevard, and it's named after the reggae icon Jimmy Cliff. Because he used to sing with Bob Marley, I'm curious, is there a Bob Marley Boulevard in Jamaica? If anybody knows, you can leave a message in the comment section below. I can't remember ever driving on Bob Marley Boulevard. We've done videos of Trenchtown, and that's the home of Bob Marley. That's where he was born. He sings about Trenchtown a lot in his videos. But if anybody knows, you can leave a comment in the section below. We'll be happy to take a tour of that road as well. Okay, so on the right now is the St. James Shopping Plaza. Behind it, where that big white building, is the Spanish Court Hotel. They also have another location in New Kingston, in Kingston. On the left is a hotel and shops. On the left is Doctor's Cave. As we said, everything on this road has more or less to do with tourists. And of course, that car just stops in the road, puts on the flashers. I really believe in Jamaica, when you put on your flashers, it's like it means you can't get a ticket. Because people just stop anywhere, put on their flashers, and that seems to be that. Alright, on the left is another plaza. On the right is Starbucks. Alright, on the right now is Doctor's Cave Beach. This is the actual beach. It's a private beach. You have to pay to use it. Very nice beach though. We're actually going to take a tour of it because a subscriber had a very good idea. When we come to these places and driving through, we should stop and do a walking through video. So early next year we're going to start making those videos. And we'll definitely go into Doctor's Cave Beach and make a video in there and actually walk along this road. On the left is a tourist spot. This looks like Crypto Bet Jamaica. Oh, you know that crypto. We need to check that out. Crypto Bet Jamaica. Assuming it has something to do with the crypto industry. Grand Cigar Lounge on the left. A lot of gift shops along here. You can see the tourists walking up and down. And there are a lot of duty-free shops along this corridor as well. Duty-free means you don't have to pay duty on the items, but you have to show proof that you're taking the item out of the country. So if you got to buy, say, a watch at a duty-free store, you don't have to pay duty on it. I mean, tax, those kind of things. So it's very popular for jewelry stores. So on the left now is the Coral Cliff Casino. On the right is Margaritaville. Shops of Bay Harbor on the left. Oh, there are actually two cruise ships in the harbor today. You can see them straight ahead on the right. And I must say, one of those is a massive ship. Wow. I must say, Jamaica is really doing well with these cruise ships, because we were in Falmouth this morning and there were two cruise ships docked in Falmouth at the Falmouth Pier, and you have two docked in Montego Bay on the same day. That's 4 cruise ships. I must say the tourism industry is doing well, and we have other ports that ships can come into. There is the Ocho Rios Pier, so I'm not sure if any ship is docked there today, but very impressive, most impressed. Okay, on the right now is a part that the government recently upgraded or renovated. I think it's Harmony Park. Oh, we just passed the Pelican restaurant on the left. Have to mention that. That's probably one of the most iconic restaurants in Jamaica, in Montego Bay actually. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.